I have pgAdmin open and QGIS open with a single layer in it. And I want to connect these two. So I'm going to make a new login here, the password, and I'm going to make a new database. So right now there's the default Postgre database, and we're just going to make one for this project. Right click on databases, give it a name. Let's call it project 1. One thing I do want to do is add an extension, the PostGIS extension. So search for it, and there it is. Okay, now that I have a new database, I want to connect to it in QGIS. Over in QGIS, I can go to my, wherever it is, Postgre SQL. I have one connection here, but I'm going to make one for this database. I can name this anything I want, so usually 2. And project 1. Host is almost always localhost. It will be if you're using the same computer for the host. The port is what you establish there, and the database is project 1 in this case. You can set up a password. I'm not going to in this case, and I don't think I need to. It also lists tables with no geometry. And okay. And my username from the installation is just going to be Postgre, and the password is what I set the password up to be. Okay, now I can connect my database with the database manager. Look at the project. It says it's not connected, but now it's connected. And so I'm going to import the only layer I have in here, and it's going to go to the public schema. I can name the table as I would see it in pgAdmin. Typically, I like to convert the field names to lowercase, and we'll connect. Okay, so we imported that table of that shapefile into pgAdmin. So in pgAdmin, I can see it in my tables. There it is. Now I can produce queries on it. So I can go to my query tool and maybe just do a select everything from, and I can, instead of having to type it, I can drag it. You don't really need the public where it is, what schema it's in. So we should be able to run that query. Ask again if I was going to do this. So that'll give me all the columns that I need, even a geometry column that's shows what kind of geometry or what kind of column it is. So I have integer, geometry, characters, and some numeric fields. Okay, quick introduction to connecting pgAdmin with your QGIS. So producing queries in pgAdmin is capable.